How to fix you can't change your SafeSearch settings right now. So if you're unable to change this option here, which is the SafeSearch, I'm going to show you how to fix this. Now, first thing you need to do is click on the three vertical dots in your browser and then go and click on Settings. In the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security, and then you'll need to scroll down and click on Security. Scroll right down to the bottom and you'll see Select DNS Provider. Click on the drop-down arrow and make sure you have this set to the OS default. Now, if you have this on the family filter, this will be the reason why you're seeing this error message. Now, once you've changed this, you'll need to go and restart your Google Chrome browser. And once it's restarted, you can check to see if it solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, open up the Start menu and then click on Settings. In the left-hand side, click on Network and Internet. Click on Wi-Fi. Go and click on your Wi-Fi network from the list. Now scroll down to DNS Server Assignment and click on Edit. Make sure this is also set to automatic and then go and press Save. You'll then need to click back on Network and Internet, click on Advanced Network Settings, and then click on Network Reset and click on Reset Now. You'll then need to click Yes and just go and restart your computer, and that's the second way you can fix the SafeSearch not working.